So you guys, today is going to be kitchen cleaning, but I'm going to focus on surfaces that I rarely clean on a daily basis. So it's not really deep cleaning, but it's just things that need to get done that I don't get around to daily. We're going to start off with these dryer sheets, and I'm going to use them to just remove dust and dander from surfaces. I have this little push brush, a bowl of pine sol as well as some Dawn. Miss Myers is not going to cut it today. I'm going to need some disinfectant and some real grease fighting power. So I'm just starting off over here at my stove. Now I do give it a wipe down every evening, but I don't give it a good scrub, and sometimes the grease can build up on the back of it. And sometimes, inside the cast iron grooves. So I am going to try to clear all of the debris out, the crumbs, and I'm just going to go in here and give it some good scrub. So after scrubbing it, I'm just going to come back in with my bowl of pine sol and Dawn, and I am going to wipe all of, the suds and the soap off and just try to get it a nice clean surface. So this is definitely an area that shows all the neglect and all the buildup of grease and food particles. My oven door, as well as the door to the broiler down below, it was so dusty and gross, you guys. I should be doing this on a weekly basis. I don't get around to it as I should, but we're doing it today, you guys. I am going to get it all clean. And when I was finished wiping this through, you would have thought it was a brand new oven. There's something about stainless steel and just, black appliances that they just age differently. They age a lot slower, and they just look so amazing when they're nice and clean. So next I'm moving on to the garage door. Now, I don't know why, and I don't know how there's constantly food on this door. I don't keep my trash can in the house because, I just don't like the way trash smells in the home. I don't want to smell my leftovers from dinner or anything that may be in there. So I keep my trash can in the garage. So that may be a reason why there's always food on this door. I guess, opening the door to throw things in the trash and stuff like that may be a reason that it gets so gross. But oh my goodness, that door had oil, it had Kool-Aid, it had everything on it. So I have found with cleaning stainless steel, especially my refrigerator, to help with the streaks and the marks, is boiling hot water. I did stop filming for a second and got some more boiling water to wash the refrigerator, because just soap and water at room temperature, as I said, it seems to leave streaks, and I just wanted it to be, streak free and to be, just a nice and smooth surface. So you guys, that's a tip I have for you. Boil your water and it will leave your doors amazing. Right now I'm moving on to the top of the refrigerator, which I'm gonna be honest with you guys, had not been cleaned in probably like 6 months, to tell you the truth. It was a whole mess up there. So you guys, I am going to try to remove this vent and try to clean it because it was super dusty and super greasy. And as you can see, I'm struggling with it. The level of disrespect that this vent showed me was not even funny. I couldn't, even after I got the screws out, I guess the way that it was painted, it was just stuck to the wall. So eventually I just had to do it the old-fashioned way. I took the dryer sheet and went in between every single little vent space there and had to dust and clean it the old-fashioned and the very hard way. So now I'm on to the other side of the kitchen, and I'm going to be doing the front of my dishwasher as well as the cabinets on that side. Now, I don't know why the dishwasher gets a lot of crap on it as well. I do prepare my food over there on that counter. Maybe things slip and fall. But even if it didn't have a lot of gunk running down it, just the dust that, collects in my home on a regular basis, it was definitely a necessity. So you guys, I am finished. It wasn't a lot of work, other than I did have to dump my bowl of water out a couple of times. That was annoying, but it got gross, so it was a necessity. But I'm glad I got it done. Ever since my husband came home from deployment, which was months ago, I have really not been on top of deep cleaning and just little things like that because we've just been spending so much time together as a family. The holidays rolled right in as soon as he got home, so I'm glad that it's one thing that I got checked off my to-do list for the start of the new year, to go into it with a clean home and to be organized and not have things hanging over my head and on my to-do list and feeling guilty every time I walk in here and see that it's not done. So I hope you guys got some motivation, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.